So hey guys, welcome to another review. This is home for Honda CRV screen protector. That's a navigation screen protector that I ordered on Amazon for $9 with tax. The brand is LFOTPP. It's a glass screen protector, and it says 9H hardness, oleophobic coating, optical clarity, 0 bubbles. So when you put it on it, there's no bubble, anti-scratch. So I suggest you guys have this screen protector, because if you actually clean your screen protector on your Honda CRV 2007 and up 2017 and up, sorry, that's actually for the 7 inches display, and this one actually is tempered glass, so it's gonna protect it from scratching in case, because it attracts the screen attracts a lot of dust. Alright, so after this I open it up. So installation right here, and this one is probably the one that to clean the screen, and it looks like this, in case you're wondering. So the screen protector, this one doesn't look like the Honda, but just find the one that is for Honda on the description listing, and it says compare the film screen here to wipe the screen with alcohol wipe that comes with this. That's the alcohol wipe to wipe any dust before you apply the screen. Wipe dry with lint cloth. Use dust removal sticker to clean the surface dust. Okay, and use suction cup to hold a corner to pinpoint the position. So that's the right here. That's the one that you use to hold the screen, so you can place it correctly on your screen right here, the navigation screen, and it's done. So you can also watch the YouTube here. You want to try it again? If the installation failed and you want to try it again for free, please contact us. Okay, so that's a pretty big screen. Let's see. And it's in this tiny right here protection with foam protection. So it says car navigation touchscreen, and it looks like the same as the manual as I showed earlier. The box is bigger than this is really thin. And so let's open it up and let's see. Ta-da! So make sure this one has this is the volume knob on the navigation screen. And so what you want to do is, actually you should peel this after that. Yeah, so let me go and try on the navigation screen to see if it fits and there's no damage to this. So there's another edition on, I think, for the LX edition, for the Honda CRV, it's gonna be 2 knob. So for, I think, if you don't upgrade to a 7-inch screen, it's gonna be smaller screen, and it has 2 knob. And this one is the 7-inch screen navigation. Here on the Honda CRV, this one has a 7-inch screen display, and that's the screen protector that I was showing you earlier. And so you're gonna put it on here. So because after you use it, it's gonna have a lot of dust. It attracts a lot of dust, and it's gonna stick on here. So there's a static build up on the screen, and static electricity. And so this one is gonna go right like this on the screen, like that. And I want to make sure that I put it right here, so I won't scratch, because each time I notice, like, I use a cloth, like to wipe it, it kind of scratch, because there's some dust on here that when you wipe it, it's gonna scratch. But I don't really use to tap it a lot. I just want to protect the screen, and this is, you can buy it on Amazon. And so what I'm gonna do, this fits right now, so make sure yours has the volume right here on the top left, bottom left. There's the non-7 inches screen protector that has knob on both sides, I think. and this one is the wipe that comes with the package earlier. So I'm gonna open it up to show you guys what's inside right here. So what's inside is a dust removal sticker and a dust removal sticker. So that's for removing, like, you know, the dust with a sticker. So you peel it, and then, but first step is we're gonna use alcohol prep pad, and we're gonna wipe it with a cloth to do that. And so let's start. First step, I'm gonna use the alcohol prep pad right here to actually clean the navigation screen surface, and it comes like this. This is wet, small screen, and I'm gonna wipe it like that, left and right like that, around the volume knob, so because there's dust around that as well. And you can see it's really wet on here. The surface is become wet, but since it's alcohol, it's gonna dry out pretty fast. I'm gonna go around the volume knob a little bit here, and I'm gonna rotate the paper a little bit so it doesn't have that you know, if there's any residue or dust on the paper, then okay. Sorry, earlier it was blurry. I didn't focus right, the camera, and so what I want to do is, so I want to show you guys this, but there's also this screen protector for the dashboard screen, and that's if you know, sometimes there's dust on the dashboard, and then you want to wipe it out, and then it scratch. So this is a way. Okay, I think it's good enough for it right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the lint free. Make sure it's a lint free. This is one that you can get, you know, if you have glasses. It comes with your glasses to clean your glasses. So I'm gonna go and wait for it to actually dry a little bit, and then go over. As you can see, it's wiping the, it's drying, it's taking out all that watery from that alcohol. Pretty good. Look at this, not a lot of dust. So I'm gonna reverse it, use another part of the cloth. It looks pretty neat right here, as you can see on the camera. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks really neat now. Nice, that's what I wanted. And so after the next step, after you wipe it, make sure it's dry, and then we're gonna go and use the screen protector. But actually, sorry, the dust removal stickers. So I would use this, but there's no dust right now on the screen because I wiped it out with the lint-free cloth, and then also the alcohol, and so I don't need this. I'm gonna use the other, the screen protector and install. So guys, while I have the alcohol here, I'm gonna use to wipe my glasses. So, you know, make use of this, and I also use the cloth for my glasses, and you know, I can keep this for my glasses as well, and clean out my glasses while I'm cleaning the screen right here as well. So looks pretty clean. Right guys, so now after I clean the screen out of dust, wipe out all dust, I'm gonna go and make sure that this side right here, when you peel it, it's the one that is, you know, this where the sticker is, the side, it's where it's gonna go on the screen, and this one is when you touch outside. So I will clean this after I, you know, peel this and put it on the screen. So make sure it's free out of dust. Don't touch this part. Okay, nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna go, and I lost the one that, you know, that sticks right here. It's like to help you handle this. So I'm gonna put it like that. Hold on. Okay, so I put the camera like this, so You can see it. It's gonna go through this right here. Make sure you align it correctly before it sticks on the screen. That's the challenging part. This it looks pretty good. As you can see, like, it's sticking and supposed to have no bubbles. You can see the dark thing, so it's blowing out all the air and sticking. A little bit of right here. I'm gonna start to push, and I think I align it pretty good. You can see that white bubble right here, so it's sticking, and no more bubbles. Down right here. Okay, nice. So I kind of helped a little bit. There's a little bit of here, so try to push it out, and I'm gonna clean the screen. So it looks nice, right? After I applied that screen protector, as you can see, except a little bit of this part right here. Guess the air is not out yet, but that's okay. Pretty cool. The screen is right here. I'm gonna show you when it lights up like this. See how reflective it is now? It looks pretty clean, and I kind of like that because, you know, I don't have... Here you go. So that's the screen right here. It looks pretty sleek, right? You can see that's a screen protector down here and on the edge, and I can still touch it. Look at that. The touch screen is working. Go to settings. Oh, camera. Let's do camera. Rear camera. Okay, not that. Maybe audio. Unable to connect to smartphone. I'm gonna go FM. So it works, right? Touch nice. Really cool screen protection right here. And I'm gonna clean this up a little bit now with the, you know, provided. And I'm gonna turn it off so I can, you know, it's not gonna beep when I clean it. And use that towel that they provided earlier to clean the screen, so it looks nice. Now when I clean the screen, it's not gonna scratch or anything, because I noticed before I applied the screen protector, that's why I bought it, the screen started to scratch when, you know, there's glare of sunlight on the screen, and so that's what I didn't like. But right here, there's still a small spot, as you can see right here. But that's okay. I mean, the whole screen looks great. You know, the volume knob right here, it just go around pretty nice like this. Yeah, it cuts out like that. Yeah, so I suggest you guys, you know, if you have a Honda CRV 7-inch screen, just buy this. And please give a like to this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this or new videos. So I upload more videos. I'm gonna clean this, and yeah, that's pretty cool, right? That's cool. And I'm gonna probably buy another one, put it here, because I tend to clean this, and you know there's a dust on the dashboard screen as well. And yeah, look at this. Let me show you. Okay, yeah, you see this? There's a big screen right here. You know, there's a glass protecting it, the dashboard screen, and so there's another. You can buy it online. There's another screen to protect this, because I tend to clean it, and it has a lot of scratches from, you know, the small little dust particles that sticks when you clean it. And yeah, and so that's cool. The screen looks nice right here. It's very thin, you can see, thin layer, but it just go perfectly all around the edges, and you don't even notice. You think that, you know, it comes with the car. It looks amazing. Please give a like to see this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.